AGVs offer a variety of advantages over traditional warehouse systems, but they do require a high level of maintenance. Due to their complex construction, they can be prone to errors. They also depend on uninterrupted wireless connectivity. Another major disadvantage is their dependence on batteries. These are expensive, ecologically harmful, and degrade fast in a highly demanding environment. Based on their specific construction, AGVs are naturally limited to a certain range of formats. Our Benjamin warehouse technology has no reliance on wireless connection. It has no moving parts. It needs no batteries and functions with exceptionally low power consumption per pick. Benjamin Warehouse. Everything in motion.